It's about a week of math. They don't really know. I mean, I don't think they know. Maybe it's kind of, they're probably tricking us. I don't know. I mean, this is on Friday.
What is that?
We did on. Who are you talking to?
Yeah, you did this on Friday in school?
We were going and doing it together because we didn't probably learn this yet.
Okay, with your teacher, right?
Are we gonna learn that or no?
I don't know, we're trying to
That's kind of confusing still.
get, yeah, we're trying to analyze first how
Okay.
I hope it, I don't think they will give you this yet.
Maybe that was just a practice.
That is just 1 for 1, 10 tens for 100, 100 for 1,000.
Charlotte Potter tree. So we're using 600. It's at 18.